This video deals with two corollaries to the triangle proportionality theorem. A corollary is just a quick fact that can be proven based upon the statement of the theorem. Our first corollary regards a mid-segment of a triangle. In the picture shown, segment MN is a mid-segment of triangle ABC. It connects the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. In this case, it connects sides AB and the midpoints of AB and AC. Mid-segments have two properties. One, they're always parallel to the third side. You can see in the picture here that MN is marked parallel to BC. And secondly, the length of the mid-segment is half the length of the third side. You see I've got an X on MN and twice X on BC. That makes MN half of BC. Now most of us don't like fractions, so the easier way to think of that is that the third side is always twice as big as the mid-segment. You might pause this and write down anything you need, and then we'll go on to the next page where I've got an example of using the mid-segment theorem. On this page, the segment with the 5 on it is the mid-segment of the triangle. The rule says that the third side, which is where the variable w is going to be twice as long as the mid-segment. So in this case, we say that w is equal to 2 times 5, and that makes w equal to 10. No matter what we put on those two lines, if you will always just take and multiply the mid-segment by 2 and set it equal to third side, you have the right setup for solving problems like these. On this page we have another corollary. This one regards sets of 3 or more parallel lines. You see on the left the lines in purple are marked as being parallel. The corollary says that when you have sets of parallel lines like the purple lines there, they divide every transversal. And in the picture on the left, the red lines are transversals. They divide every transversal proportionally, meaning the parts of each transversal will be in ratios that are equal. So the red line with the A and the B on it, the A and the B are proportional to the C and the D. In other words, as it's shown there, A over B equals C over D. A way that you might see a problem like this is shown in the diagram with the 3 parallel lines and then the parts that are 2x, 4, and 8. If we're trying to find x, then we can apply this new corollary, and what we will get is that 2 over x equals 4 over 8. So if you cross multiply and solve, you have 4x is 16, and x will equal 4. This should enable you to do all of the rest of your homework today all the rest of the homework that's assigned so far.